Looking for the best burnishing and polishing machine for metal, wood, or stainless steel? Stick around, we've tested the top options and ranked them from worst to best so you can make the right choice without wasting time or money. Coming in at the bottom of our list is the YPCOO 7510. This one's a pneumatic-powered burnishing machine, which already sets it apart from the rest. While that might sound fancy, it's really built for a more industrial workshop-type setting, and less for casual or even professional users who don't have an air compressor lying around. It delivers consistent speed and does a decent job smoothing surfaces like stainless steel or wood. Thanks to its compact steel body and ball bearing construction, it feels solid in hand. Plus, the built-in silencer keeps the noise level more manageable than some other pneumatic tools. But let's be honest, this one's got some serious limitations. First off, there's no variable speed control, which puts it behind every electric model on our list. You'll also need a steady supply of compressed air, which isn't convenient for most users. Compared to the newer electronic tools, it's simply less versatile and a bit outdated. If you already have a pneumatic setup and need a basic, no-frills tool for burnishing metal, this could work for you. Otherwise, keep watching, there are far better options ahead. And by the way, if you want to check out any of the products from today's video, we've linked the best prices for all of them down in the description below. Next up is the cordless model from VERVEWAVE. It's a step up in convenience thanks to its brushless motor and cordless design. If you hate dragging around cables or working in tight corners, this one's made for you. It's lightweight, compact, and feels great in hand. What sets it apart is mobility. You get 6 speed levels for various tasks, and the built-in dust cover and vacuum port are nice touches that help keep your workspace clean. The brushless motor also promises longer life and better efficiency, which is always a win. But there's a catch, and it's a big one. The battery and charger aren't included, which means you'll need to either buy them separately or already own a compatible one. On top of that, it's a bit less powerful than its corded competitors, and the top speed is lower too. This is great if you're working on lighter projects and want the freedom to move around. It's not the strongest, but for portability and everyday use, it gets the job done. If you're finding this helpful so far, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the rest of the rankings. Right in the middle of our list is the VICSEC. It's a solid electric option that comes packed with accessories, including 4 different polishing wheels, perfect for tackling everything from rough metal to fine finishing. At 1400 watts, it has plenty of muscle for everyday polishing work. The adjustable speed gives you solid controls over your projects, and the included wheels save you the hassle of buying them separately. If you're after something versatile that doesn't break the bank, this one definitely deserves a look, but it does come with a few drawbacks. First off, it's the heaviest tool on our list, which could lead to some arm fatigue during long sessions. And although it seems capable, the brand doesn't have a long track record, so reliability might be hit or miss. This is a great mid-tier machine for hobbyists or professionals who want decent power and value in one package. It's not perfect, but it gets the job done. Now we're getting into the really good stuff. BriSunshine's 1400 watt burnisher delivers a strong balance of power, control, and comfort. The dual handle setup makes it easy to maneuver, and with a long 10-foot cord, you're not constantly looking for a nearby outlet. The 8 speed levels let you fine-tune the performance for different materials, and it runs smoothly across stainless steel, wood, or metal. It's a no-fuss, high-value option that performs better than you'd expect at this price. Still, it's not without a few minor complaints. The handle and guard setup isn't always the easiest to align, and the instructions could use a serious upgrade, but that's not a deal breaker. It still offers better usability than the lower-ranked models. If you want something well-rounded that can handle almost anything you throw at it, this one's a safe bet. Taking the #1 spot on our list is the LDHTHOPI burnishing machine, and it earns that top spot with power, speed, and performance. This beast packs an 1800 watt motor, giving it more strength than anything else we tested. Whether you're stripping rust, polishing steel, or finishing wood, this tool gets it done fast. It covers a wide speed range from 750 to 3100 RPM, and the included roller is designed for maximum surface contact. Add in the ergonomic dual handle design, and you've got a machine that feels stable even during heavy-duty jobs. There are some downsides. It can run warm after long use, and the included wheel may wear down faster than premium brands. But even with those minor issues, it's still the top performer in every meaningful way. If you're serious about polishing and want professional-level results, this is the one to get. All the top machines from this review are linked down below in the description at the best prices we could find. So take a look, grab the one that fits your needs, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more gear reviews just like this.